Today I'm going to show you how to make an emergency heater with just stuff you have at home. I had already emptied all of the sweet potatoes in here for my emergency food supply. So now I'm just going to use this container, and it's a perfect container for what I need to do. First step is to remove the center core of this toilet paper roll. All right, now you got this roll here that you can push together. It might be too thick still for the can. It is. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to give some of this up. And in an emergency situation, you're gonna wanna keep this for emergencies, if you know what I mean. Just to make it a little bit smaller. All right, this should do it. Fits like a glove. Okay, once you have this, you're gonna wanna get some alcohol that's gonna be above 90%. That's gonna burn the best. You can still do 70, but anything above 90 is gonna be the best. And you're gonna wanna just pour it in here and let it soak. Okay, now all you gotta do is light it up. Okay, and we're gonna put a little timer on it and see how long this will last. I'm actually gonna set it inside the fire pit. And then wait. Wow, look at this. It's actually giving a lot of heat. I'm standing about 2 feet away from it, and it's still giving off heat from here. A few minutes in, and it's still burning. All right, and it just went out, and the time is 58 minutes.